Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just going to be on this table, or you can use it as a light stool. Right now I'm just showing you guys the actual table that I purchased. I actually purchased 2 of them, and I purchased 2 of these foam board things. I've used some Mod Podge and a piece of fabric, and I use these little things. I'm not sure what they call, but they're in the design section of Walmart. And yeah, so right now I'm just showing you guys all the stuff that came inside of the table box. You can use it as a table, but I pretty much use this as like a light stool for my room or whatever. But I mean, you know, it's still durable for you to use the table. If you want to use it as a decorative table, if you decide to use fabric, I just pretty much you know, I wouldn't say put the cushions, but I use the cushions because I pretty much wanted it to be like a little light stool for my room. And as you can tell, it's very easy to put together. So yeah, that's pretty much why I got it. And it was actually like $12 or $13 at Walmart, and I bought 2 of them, you guys. And I bought 2 foam things, and I used 1 can of Mod Podge, and I also used like 2 for each table of that little border stuff. I will show you guys later on in the video, but right now I'm just trying to get all them legs on there tight. And you guys, this is a very durable table. Like I said, it's like a light bench, you know, but it's actually a good durable table. Like it's actually stable, you guys, because I let my fiance sit on there, and he said it feel nice, like with the cushions and everything. He said it feel real nice, and it's like good, you know what I'm saying? Like it's not gonna break. It'll hold up like some weight on here. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that. And I'm just right now just putting all of the, you know, just measuring out the foam to make it even across the whole little table, and you'll see me doing that. So as you can tell, it's kind of going off of the table a little bit. So I'm going to just take the scissors and just trim the excess. I always said excess, but the excess off of the table. And yeah, that's pretty much that's all I'm going to do, you know, and make it back even. Bring that straight in back, you know, and connect it all across the table like you see me doing right now. And I'm gonna make sure I'm putting pressure down, you know, because we did use that adhesive Mod Podge, and I just want to make sure it's enough pressure so that the foam cushions would not be moving. And I did tell you guys that I will be using them little border things, but I believe them things are called trimming, like whenever you are creating a piece or clothes or whatever, couch pillows, whatever you call it. But I just say border because that's pretty much what I'm gonna be using it for in this video. I believe they call trimmings. And you guys, I did also say that I'm using foam boards. No ma'am, I'm using a foam cushion. Okay, so this is pretty much what it's looking like and all of that. I'm just showing you guys what it's looking like. Then next we're going to go in with the fun part, which is adding the fabric, you know, putting our little swag to it. Nah, we're putting our little style to it. I decided to get this. I was going to get like some gold foil type of fabric. I think I'm gonna go back and get that if they have it, but and do like another project for you guys. But yeah, I gotta think, I gotta decide. And this pretty much went more with my beauty room because I have like a lot of pink, gold, black type stuff in my room. So yeah, I just pretty much went ahead and did this, you guys. And right now I'm filming in the kitchen. I mean, not the kitchen. Right now I'm filming in the living room space, like a little corner of the living room space. But yeah, I'm just pretty much trying to make sure that's even, you guys. Where the legs are, I do not want the fabric there, so that's pretty much why you see me putting little slits in the fabric. As you get it all measured out, you're just gonna go ahead and take that adhesive and just pull it down, you know, pull it all across there. Make sure you don't have like any type of lumps in it, you know. Try to pick the fabric up like and lay it out smooth. If you find a lump, try to hurry up and fix it, I guess, so it won't dry down like that, because this stuff really does dry down quick, especially when you're trying to do it you know, put it towards like foam or any type of cotton type stuff. You guys, I am not a professional at this, so I'm just pretty much doing this for you guys and showing you guys the easy way to do everything. Now, what I can say is I actually enjoy doing like a lot of stuff myself, like my own hair, my own makeup, my own nails, my own DIY projects. And to be honest with you guys, DIY projects is like one of my biggest things I love to do. Like, I love to make stuff my own. Like, I would take something and just design it for myself and design it of my own, like make it my own, okay? And I really just do enjoy doing DIY projects. Like, I hope you guys find this video very interesting. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you do, you guys, so I will know that y'all will want to see more of this on my channel. But you guys, I really do enjoy like doing little bitty projects and stuff. Like, if y'all actually see like my beauty room and stuff, I actually customize and make everything myself. So you guys, I am showing you guys what I went through when I was trying to use this adhesive. As far as like pinning it down, you know, at the bottom of the table, like it did dry in some parts down, but I ended up just cutting all the excess fabric off because of the simple fact I was too impatient to be sitting there waiting for it to dry to the bottom of the table and stuff. Now, I did go back and forth trying to hurry up and make it dry faster, but yeah, I got too impatient and I just ended up cutting the excess fabric off. You just pretty much see me just pinning down what I can, making whatever dry. But I ended up turning the table over, like I said, and just cutting that excess fabric off because I didn't feel like just waiting on all of that fabric to dry down. Like, I just cut it off. Wish I should have did from the jump, but yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. So you guys, I forgot to show you and tell you, but I am going to go in with my hot glue gun, so you can add that to your list if you decide to do it like mine. I'm going to take this trimming or this border, whatever you want to call it, or whatever it's called, and I'm going to just take that and just put it all around the edges of the fabric because I don't want it to be looking like just some chopped up fabric on top of the table. Like, I want it to look much neater, so that's pretty much why I bought this. And it was kind of shiny and it just looked the part. So yeah, I just pretty much did that, and I'm just trying to clean it up, clean all the edges up, and make it look nice. Thank you guys so much for watching this video to this far. If you have watched my video to this far, please comment some pink hearts down below. And yeah, I just want to see who really be watching my videos, you know, so I can be very supportive of their channel. I really want to know who really watches my videos, you know what I'm saying? Make sure, because I'm very supportive of other YouTubers like y'all, and I don't get that much back, but you know, I do appreciate the ones who do, you know, give me support and everything. So if you watch this video, make sure you do comment them pink hearts down below and all of that stuff. And you guys, yeah, I just really appreciate you guys, and this is the final outcome. So you guys, I did take some old hoop earrings that I never wear, and they shiny, so I just add them right there. But I might take them off and add like an actual let me see, I don't know what they call, but I'm gonna add like a whole bunch of something right there at the little tips of the table or whatever, so it can look better. But I just pretty much put that right there as of right now, you know, just have some shiny on there. But I like the way it came out. I hope you guys like the way it came out. I'm showing you guys that you can use it as a table, you know what I'm saying? But I pretty much do not use this as a table because the stuff that you see on here, I already have a place for it in my room. And yeah, so my kids just wanted to be in my video, so that's why you see them. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.